In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Fresha password in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in and ensure that your account remains safe and secure with a fresh password update. Now, before we begin, make sure you have your login details handy as you'll need them to access your account. First, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Fresha Partner Dashboard. You can do this by entering the URL directly into the address bar or by clicking a link if you have it saved somewhere for easy access. Once you land on the dashboard page, you'll see the main screen of your account. This is where you can manage all of your business activities with Fresha. Next, locate your profile icon. It's usually positioned in the top right corner of the screen where your account picture or initials are displayed. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Personal Settings. This navigates you to a new page dedicated to all the personal configurations associated with your account. Upon arriving at the Personal Settings page, look for the Login and Security option. It should be prominently listed among the other settings as it is crucial for keeping your account secure. Click on this option to proceed to the next step where you can make changes to your login credentials. Now you're close to updating your password. In this section, there will be a field provided for you to type in your new password. When creating your new password, try to use a strong combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. It's always a good idea to avoid easily guessable passwords like 1234556 or password. The stronger your password, the harder it will be for anyone to gain unauthorized access to your account. After you've carefully chosen and entered your new password, look for the Create New Password or similar button. This button is typically located right below the password input field. Click on it to save your changes. If everything is entered correctly, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Fresha password. Just a reminder, regularly updating your password is a good habit to ensure your account remains protected against potential threats. Thanks for following along, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful. See you next time.